Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this today's video I am going to show you exactly step by step how to use InVideo AI, one of the best AI video generator in 2025. Whether you want to create YouTube videos, social media clips or marketing videos without spending hours editing, this tutorial is for you. So stick with me till the end. I will share some pro tips to make your AI videos look clean, professional and unique. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to understand actually what is InVideo AI. So InVideo AI is an online tool that uses artificial intelligence to turn text into professional looking videos automatically. You just give it a script or an idea, and InVideo AI will generate the video, add stock footage, animation text, and even AI voice over. It is perfect for marketers, content creators, or small business owners who want to make videos fast and on a budget. So first of all, what should you just need to do? So open your browser and search for InVideo AI and then enter it, and you just need to come over that place where you will get this sign up button if you are new here. If you already have an account, you just need to click over here to the login. So I am new over that place, so I'll click through this sign up button, and then I will create an account over that place. So here you just need to provide your mail address, or I can go with this one, join with Google. This was the simplest way, that's why I choose this one. Then it will redirect us to the workspace, as you can see this one. So once you are in, you will landed on the InVideo AI dashboard. At the top you will see options like create video project and brand preset. Here you can see this is the dashboard. So today we will focus on how to use the AI video generator to create video from scratch. So let's start a new AI video. Like you just need to click over here, generate video, or you can like here text to clip, text to image, photo to clip, text to title clip, and here you just need to choose one of them, the plugin. So I already choose on of that here, so here you can see it. So here you just need to be like, you will see a big text box. This is where you will paste your script or write your idea. For example, you could type 5 best tips for remote work productivity, or copy and paste a full YouTube script. So below you can choose video style, create an UGC ad, create a short video, make explainer video, use my script, workflow, clone yourself, or you can click on generate my video. So pin like you can pick on of the match you vibe. So I will click create a short video, or you can just click here generate my video. So now here you get your deserved results. So you just need to please wait while we start your creation. So we just need to take a couple of minutes, so let's wait a bit and let's see what result we will get here. Before that, let's talk about the video aspect ratio. Like pick your video setting. So you will choose your aspect ratio. Like you are making a video for YouTube, then it might be 16:9 for YouTube and presentation. Then there is another 9:16. It means for TikTok Reels, Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Then 1:1 for Facebook or Instagram feed. Then pick a voiceover style. InVideo AI offer natural AI voice in multiple accent and language. You can even preview voice before you generate the video. Once you are happy with the setting, like generate video, so then you will, like here you can see our title already been visible by 5 best tips for remote work productivity. So review the draft video. In a few seconds, InVideo AI will create a full draft video for you. It automatically pick stock footage, text overlays, background music, and AI voiceover. Then play through the video and see how it looks. Don't worry if it is not perfect yet. Everything is fully editable. You can change clips, swap text, adjust the voice, or switch the background music also. So here you can see the process how it is ongoing. So title is by best tips for creating plans. So they're creating the plans right now. So now we just need to wait a bit reviewing the plans also. So let's see what will happen. So here we just need to keep patience, finalize the plans. As you can see, the procedure is ongoing again. So let's see what result we will get in the video. I will come back to the video when it will be finished. Now here actually you can see they are telling us to choose the platform for which platform we are making video. I will choose this remote. Then your audience will be remote workers, or I can choose the team leaders. Then creative strategy will be motivational, and then go with continue with 15 credits. So here I don't have any credits yet, so that's so much rush for me. So I can modify the plan. If you want to modify till how to improve this plan, you can go with this one also. Let's click to the back. It is a 90s virtual AI actor generative media. So you just need to choose your things, then you will just click to the continue and it will be continue to the next panel. So here you can see this one will be quite good. Background will be calm, then animated icons or listicle text of all this, then click to the continue, and then the credits will be they will be cut, and then you will get the video. Now you can edit the video, you can edit to into the editor. Here's how it works. Like, you will get timeline, you will see all your scene in order. Then scene preview, it will be click any scene to see it later. Then left side, add media, text, music or transaction option, you will get to replace footage. Click on the video clip, then choose replace media, search for stock videos in the huge library or upload your own. To edit the text, just click on it and type. You can change for fonts, colors or add animations. If you want to swap the voiceover, click on voiceover, pick a different voice or even upload your own recording if you want. So now here you just need to be go over here, come back to this one and click to the text to the image and then write something. So I don't have any credit yet, so a boy running, and then generate image. So they will ask for the similar thing, so I don't have any credit here, that is the bad thing. So here video minutes, credit 0 credit, all are the premium plan. So if you want to use InVideo, you just need to purchase the InVideo plan to use this one. This is the drawback I can say. So you are not allowed to use the free plan. So all non-generative edits are free till 31st October 2025 total use. So you can create 10 video over that place. So let's go ahead and try to make it again, clip, and then click this one, boy running, and then generate clip. And then they are providing us, just click this one, add this one, you can select this one, 5 seconds, 1 second, 960, boy running, and generate clip. So we are not allowed to create this one because we just need to be shift to the premium one. So here you can easily add music and branding. Like, you just need to click on the music tab, browse InVideo's royalty free library and pick something like that's fit your videos mode. You can adjust the music volume so it does not overpower your voiceover. If you have a logo or brand colors, click brand preset to add your logo watermark, choose brand colors and set your font style. This keeps your videos consistent and professional. Once you are happy with the edits, then you can just export it. So that's it. You now know how to use InVideo AI on of the best AI video generators in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you would like more tutorials on AI video tools. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.